So there's been a TikTok trend recently that they call themselves the mug maniacs, people that claim that mug root beer is the superior root beer. So that's what we're here to do today. We are here to see if mug root beer is truly the superior root beer. So we have the 5 brands I could find in the grocery store here. We have, of course, Mug, which for some reason only comes in a 2-liter jug compared to all the other brands. Next we have Barks root beer, a little bit of IBC, a Virgil's handcrafted root beer, and A&W. They've been sorted into these 6 cups here, and we're gonna go ahead and see. I'm gonna taste them all and then rate them and see if I can line them up with which brand they belong to. Alright, there's 5 root beer brands, but there are 6 cups because 1 cup is a mixture of all 5 in order to throw off my palate. So without further ado, let's see, where's cup number 1 at? Right here? Okay. I'm gonna start with cup 1. Pretty good. I think I've definitely had this one before. It has a kind of a nostalgic taste to it. With this first one, I'm gonna give this one, we'll go with a 7. Not amazing, not bad. I don't see why. I mean, it's pretty good root beer. And because it has a nostalgic taste to it for me, and I think because of that, I think it's IBC. That's my guess for now. So I'm gonna put the IBC over here in front of cup 1. And then we're gonna move to cup number 2. Already a much flatter flavor compared to the first one. I don't like this one as much. It's not as good. It barely has like that flavor of root beer in it. I have a theory that mug root beer is actually garbage. So I'm gonna make this one the mug for right now. It's kind of hard to put this in front of the cup, but we're at number 2, I'm gonna put mug. In this house, we drink mug. That's how the memes go. Alright, cup number 3. This one's actually worse than number 2. It has even less root beer flavor. So, sticking with my theory, I'm now going to switch this to the mug. And cup number 2, man, I don't think I've ever had Virgil's root beer before. I've definitely had Barks, definitely had A&W. I'm gonna leave number 2 blank for right now. We'll move on to number 4. Okay. That one's much better than 2 or 3. I would say on par with number 1. It tastes like a very mid-range root beer. I keep forgetting there's like a decoy cup in here. I think that number 4 might be the decoy. No, the flavor's too distinct. I think one of these is the decoy and one of these is the mug. But this one, I'm gonna go. Ooh, I'm gonna say this is Barks. Alright. Cup number 5. This is on par with 2 and 3. It's not very good. Oh, I haven't been given my numbers. That was a 7. I'm gonna say this one is a 5. This one's a 4. This one is another 7. This one.
I need to hear an 8. Where's an 8 at?
It's not an 8. This one's a 6. It's a little bit better than these two. For now, I'm gonna say NW. This last one looks a little foamier than the rest. Okay. A little bit better flavor. It definitely doesn't taste craft. You know what? I'm going out on a limb. I'm going to swap this one to the IBC. And I'm going to say this. I've never had Virgil's, but this one, by far, I'm bumping this up to an 8 after having all the other ones, because this one has like the boldest root beer flavor, which is, I think, what you would see in something that's claiming to be handcrafted. So.
Okay, so before you ask me your next question, is this your final?
This is not final. I'm gonna do a couple more. I'm gonna do a little palate cleanse real quick.
Yeah, I was gonna say you haven't done any of that.
I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try these ones again real quick, because I think one of these, either 2, 3, or 6, is the decoy cup.
I really wish I got a tripod.
I'm keeping the IBC right there. And then I'm gonna say, man, these two are both very not good. I'll be honest. This one has like almost like a caramel flavor to it. I'm gonna say, I'm switching my answer back. Mug is in the second cup, because this one has a slightly bolder flavor, which means if it's the mixed one, I think that's bringing up the flavor profile overall. So this is gonna be my final selection for the first round.
You have none right.
None?
None.
Oh my goodness.
So,
0.
0.
All right. Well, I'm going to go ahead and retaste all of them. I'm going to put them in order of my favorite right here to my least favorite over here. Does that make sense for the camera?
Yes.
Okay. And then
I would also maybe suggest this time actually taking that spacer sip in between.
Okay.
So that you can get a little bit of a...
Alright.
Hi, Gracie.
Pretty good. I'm going to put this in... For right now, it's going to be number 1.
Alright.
God, this one is just... It's just not very good. It's not the mug apparently. So I'm going to tentatively put this one as my least favorite. Alright, number 3 again. The one that I thought was the decoy. But it's not. Now this one keeps having more of a almost like vanilla or caramel kind of flavor to it, which is now making me think that maybe this is the Virgils. So I'm gonna say that's the Virgils right now, and that's definitely right in the middle for me. And number 4. That one's definitely second best so far. And I said that one is the Barks. I'm gonna switch it to IBC. Because I don't regularly drink IBC even when I was a kid, but I do remember it always used to be the drink I would get when we would go to a restaurant called Grinders, because it was just like fun to have a soda in a bottle, I guess, when I was a kid. So I that flavor has a very distinct memory attached to it. But I digress. This is the one that I thought the first time was not. It was definitely on par with. No, it was 6. This one's okay. I'm going to put it right here for now. I thought it was A&W, but I guess I'm gonna switch it to Barks. IBC, that's what I thought was the first time. Again, just not very good. I'm gonna put this one. Jesus,
Running out of sample there.
I don't know. This is what I said was the mug last time. I'm gonna go ahead and say that's the decoy cup. It's gonna be my last one. 6 is gonna go here. It's gonna be the mug. And then let me taste this one again and see if I agree that this is A&W. I think I like that one the best. This is my final answer.
All right. So this is the final video of the results for the root beer experiment.
All right, how many do I have right?
How many do you have right? You have 1, 2, 3, and 4 altogether right.
I have 4
So-
cups, or
You have 4 cups together that are correct. Yes.
that's pretty good for only having 5. And 4 out of 5, that's 80%.
Yeah.
All right, so let's go down the line.
All right.
What was
So
in cup number 4?
number 4 is IBC.
Okay. What's in number 1?
Number 1 was the mix,
Oh.
which
Okay.
had everything in it except for mug, because I didn't want you to be thrown off by the volume that I had in each of them. And as you drink it more. All right. Your next cup was number 3, which was Virgil's.
Okay. Yeah. Once I had it the second time and I tasted it, it has like
It's got that home
it's got
brew.
some, yeah, it's just got like some different flavors in there than like just generic root beer, so that's why I was like it's gotta be handcrafted.
All right. And I think your next one is number 5. That's Barks,
Okay.
Books, whatever it's called.
Barks.
Yep. Number 6 was mug.
Number 6 was mug.
Number 6 was mug. Now I gotta tell you, when I open mug in the bottle that it's in,
Yeah.
I got a wafting smell of root beer, like the way that it was like canned or bottled. So it was
I
like,
rated A&W lower than mug.
you put A&W at the end.
Damn.
And that's the thing. So I wanna just point out that I think that a lot of the root beer, like the flavors and the flavor textures, the flavor of it, I think has a lot to do with the way that it's packaged to sell to the public. Because I got with the 2 liter, I got some fizzle, with the ones in the actual can, I didn't really get a whole lot. Like the second that I opened it, it's like felt like they were flat. But then when I popped the 2 bottles that are in the glass bottles, they actually had like fumes coming off of it as well. So I think a lot of the taste.
There's just not much to this. I mean, it's not flat. It's just the flavor. It's just.
Yeah. I think they're more, well, I mean, they're famous for their root beer, but they're also famous for their cream soda.
The cream soda is good. I like the cream soda. This, I mean, I'll be honest.
As he downs it, he is so excited.
No, it's actually, it's pretty bad. Like, Jake in the Discord did say, he called this an F tier root beer. I would say that as a fair assessment. This is terrible. If you are a mug maniac, there is something wrong with you. Get help.